Referral program script. What if your best customers are already telling people about you, but you're leaving all that word of mouth to chance? Most small business owners say referrals are their #1 source of new customers. Yet most have never built a real referral program. They just hope happy customers talk. Today we're fixing that using free AI tools. Here's the honest truth. Referrals don't happen consistently just because you do good work. People are busy. They forget. A referral program gives them a reason, a reminder, and an easy way to do it. AI can help you build this without hiring an agency or spending weeks figuring it out. Start with structure. Before writing any emails or setting up software, answer 3 questions. Who are you asking? What are you offering? How does it work? Open ChatGPT or Claude and give it this prompt. Describe your business type, your average sale value, and ask for 3 reward structures with pros and cons. A house cleaning company with $150 jobs might get options like a $25 credit for both parties, a free add-on after 3 referrals, or $30 cash per referral. AI flags things you might miss, like tax implications or whether discounts build more loyalty than cash. The honest limitation: AI doesn't know your profit margins or which customers stick around. Use it to generate options, then decide yourself based on what you can actually afford. Next, write the words. Most referral programs fail because the ask feels awkward or pushy. AI is great at helping you write a clean, confident ask. You need 3 things: an email announcing the program, a script staff can use face-to-face, and a shareable message customers can forward. Ask the AI for each separately with context, business type, reward, tone. You'll have solid drafts in 10 minutes. Edit them. AI tends to be too enthusiastic. Also write a thank you note to send within 24 hours when someone refers you. That one message dramatically increases repeat referrals. Track referrals with software. Referral Hero, $49 per month, free trial, is simplest, tracking links, automatic notifications, basic analytics. No developer needed. The catch: lower tiers limit contacts. Referral Factory, $95 per month, is more powerful, connects with MailChimp and HubSpot. Great if you have a CRM, but harder to justify below $20,000 per month revenue. Viral Loops, $49 per month, works best for e-commerce. For service businesses, you'll spend more time adapting templates than running the program. Or run it manually. Google Form to collect referrals, spreadsheet to track, calendar reminders to follow up. AI can help with the logic and form questions. It's free, but requires more work. Ask the right people first. Not every customer refers equally. Target those who left 5-star reviews, replied positively to emails, or came back multiple times. Write them a personal message inviting them specifically, not a mass blast. That personal touch converts far better. Here's where we land. You have happy customers who aren't referring anyone, not because they don't want to, but because no one made it easy or gave them a reason. A referral program fixes that. AI cuts the work dramatically. You can have a real program running this week. Now actually start.